Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to set the time and date on your Samsung TV. As you can see here, we have a newer Samsung TV, and of course as you see it's a Samsung TV. It's all set up, so we're gonna just tune for the best settings. We're connected to the internet. In this case, doesn't need the internet to work, but of course some of the features do. So go to General, which is the gear icon looking like a wrench. I should say not a gear icon, like a wrench. Go down to System Manager, and once you are, go into the time option by selecting OK. Alright, as you can see here, there's options here. Go to clock. Now the clock option here gives you everything. Now it's set to auto. You can click on it and go to manual. I do not recommend manual unless, of course, there's a reason for using manual. Unless it's preferred. When you go to manual, you would have to set everything by yourself. I rather to use auto, especially that I'm connected to the internet. And of course, from here, you can see that auto is set the time and the date. So as you can see there, it shows the date, which is today's date. It shows the time, time zone, and of course, everything else is set, which is quite fine. If you want to change it to manual, go ahead and select here, go to manual, and these will brighten up. Then you can go here if you want to and change the date. So select date. See, you can manipulate the date. I'm going to hit return. Do not need to change that time. You can change the time as well. That's fine. You can move through and change. I'm going to leave that as well. And all those other settings. So as I said, guys, I recommend it on auto. It will be best for your apps and so on. And of course, you do not need to modify anything. Auto will find the best settings for you, and of course will give you the best experience. So unless it's dead wrong in terms of the time, you may want to change your time zone, because the time zone can actually make your time wrong. If manual is your only option, please find an appropriate time zone. And as in terms of anything else, once you find the right time zone, it should show the right time. If not, and you can't be bothered, set it to manual and set everything and leave it as is. Alright, so in this case, I guess you get the basic idea, guys. So you can get the perfect time. So the TV will reflect the correct time. Remember, apps and so on can, in some cases, depend on correct time to work properly. So you want to make sure that the time is always correct. Or to set it to manual with the right time zone. Alright, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye.